Hello, welcome back student. Today we are going to see cascading style sheet properties. Some of the properties what you will use in the CSS. Okay. In the last class we saw about the CSS, what is cascading style sheet and how the cascading style sheet import in the how to use in HTML. So internal, inline, okay, and we saw the external also. And today we are going to see some of the properties. So first one is a font property. What is font property means? Like font family. Font is nothing but whatever you are writing this is called font. And font family, example, Arial is a name of the font. This is also a name of the font, and Courier is also one of the font family. That means this is a title like same like Times New Roman. Times New Roman. This is also one type of font family. Okay, font name we can say. If a font name has more than one word, it should be single quote. Okay, it should be in single quote. Next, font size. A length number. Okay, what is a font size? A length number, any number. And font style will be there. Do you want italic or normal? Or font weight is there, like degree of boldness means how much the dark, like this dark or little bit dark. Okay, and here the border, lighter, bold, bolder, lighter, bold, normal. What do you want? You can give the font weight and could specify as a multiple of 100 to 900. Okay, so here the font. In the font, for a specific a list of font properties, this is some of the properties of font. We will do practical also, but today just I am showing the theoretical part. So here, for specific a list of font property, example, style is equals to, what is the style you want to give in the CSS? Font is colon. Font colon means this is a property. Font is a property, and normal bolder is a value. What is a code for CSS? Property colon value. This is a syntax. This is a format of style CSS. Okay, what is 14 pt? 14 pt is font size. What is 14 pt is font size. And Arial, what is Arial? Arial is a font family, means name of the font. Order must be style, weight, size and name, means is up to you how do you want to make in order. So this is some of the properties of font. When we see the practical, then you can easily identify and you can easily recognize. So just see here some of the, like this is italic, this is bold, this is little bit small, okay, and this is large, means heading tag. This is also a heading, which heading tag. So here you can see the content is written but in the different size. If you want the output like this, so you need to write the code here. Like see, font property in the title means here at the heading it will be there. Here can you see p dot big, p dot small. So this is a two. In the last class we saw in different ways we can give the style. So p dot big, font size is 14 pt, font style I want italic, and font family is Times New Roman. Whenever it is in 2-3 numbers will be there, names will be there, like Times space New space Roman. At the time you need to write in single quote. Okay, as we studied here this. okay, in the single quote. So this is about big, p dot big. Whenever we use the paragraph and whenever we use the class big, then only it will occur. The same p tag, but the small, p dot small. When it is using p dot small, so font size is 10, I am taking 10, font weight I am taking bold, and font family I am taking Courier New. So this is one of the font family. Okay. So whenever I will call this class, okay, p dot small class, then this code will be execute, and if p dot big, then this style will be execute and it will display on the web page. So this everything is written in head tag. Okay, main is a head tag and it is written in style tag. Okay, so this is, oh sorry, where we were here. So this is the thing. Next this style we have defined here in the style, and it will not execute in the main part. Okay, it will not display in main page. Whatever the content you are writing between the body, that thing will be displayed on the main page. So here see, p class is equals to big. I am calling with this p tag this big, p dot big. So whatever the content you are going to write in this p tag, that will be applied to apply this properties. If a job is worth doing, it's worth doing right. So this will be italic, okay, and the size is 14, and writing is Times New Roman. Okay, this is for the closing tag and opening tag. So here next is p class is equals to small. This throw wrong don'ts make a right, but so we have written some elements. We have some elements. We have written some statement. This is called element. Okay, and whatever here, this is called attribute. So with the help of class attribute, I am calling the small style from the style group. So here it will display in the 10 and bold and Courier New writing. Next, H2. Okay, as you know, H2 is a heading tag. In the heading tag, by default, it will take some of the size. It will take some size by default. So style is equals to font family. I am giving the Times New Roman, semicolon, font size, colon 24 pt. You can give 30, 40, anything you can give here. Font weight is bold. So every property is divided by semicolon. Okay, and every property, whenever you are giving the value, that time you will write by the colon and separating the properties with the semicolon. And whatever the things you are writing, this is chapter 1 introduction, that should be 24 font and Times New Roman. H3, if you see this code, S3 style is equals to font family is a Courier New and font size is 18, 1.1, the basic of computer network. If you write like this in the 3, then this style will be applied to this element. Okay, so here we saw the inline and we saw like on the same tag only we have completed, and internal here also we have in the same HTML code we got the CSS code, and we are calling CSS style in the HTML. Okay, so this is HTML. As you write the HTML code, same thing you need to write and save as HTML .html, then it will be execute. So you will get the output like this. Okay, so this is the thing. Next, text property. The text decorate property line, line through, overline, underline, none. So like if you want to strike through, so that is line through, and line overline means above the sentence. This, and underline means below the sentence. So for that you need to write the code like this. Here we have created the link. Now we are using the external CSS. This was internal CSS. I gave the style here only, but here we are calling with the help of link, relationship, style sheet, href is equals to text.css. This is a file name, and type is equals to text or CSS. So we are calling this file from outside the HTML code from our computer to HTML code. Okay. Next, so here in the body part, so before going to see in the body part what we are doing, we are calling the class is equals to line through, TRU, line through. This illiteration in through means the output will be like this. How we are getting, if you write like this it will not get, but here what he did, this text.css file, CSS code is here. So here is already written p dot line through. Whenever it is occur here, whenever it's called, you need to take text decoration. Text decoration is line through, means above line through means it will cut like this, strike through. Okay, this is a code for first one, line through. Next, p is equals to under. So p is equals to under, class is equals to under. So what is a class? Class is p under. So what is a text decorate? It is a underline. It is a underline. Okay, it is a underline. So the next one is over. So here class over means it will call this from the style group, okay, style file, and it will decorate an overline. Overline means the output will be overline. First, as per this code, first it will be this, and second will be this, and third will be this, as per this code. Clear? So here in the same way you can call the CSS from outside the HTML code like this. This is one of the file, and it is saved by .css. It is saved by .css, that is the name it's mentioned here, text. Okay, so this is example for this output. Next, list property. List property already we have learned, that is ordered list, unordered list, and we studied the definition list, but we will see only ordered list and unordered list here. In unordered list, as we studied, when we write something, so it will like full stop, it will write like something, subject name WAD dot at dot ts, like this it will display in the point wise. Unordered list, unordered list. Okay. In ordered list, in ordered list, in ordered list, we will have like 1, 2, 3, or capital A, capital B, capital C, or Roman number, okay, and so on, small abc, like this. This is a unordered list. An ordered list. This is unordered list and this is ordered list. Okay, and unordered list will represent as UL and ordered list will represent as OL. Here example is this, like see, this is the output, this is the output, like these points, okay, some common single engine aircraft. So here some common engine we have written in the H3 tag, UL style is equals to list style type is square. In the HTML we have learned the unordered list, but there whatever the default pattern for the unordered list that will appear, but I want to change the default style. Default style will be in the circle, I want in the square. Okay, so that is I am writing here. Live list style type is square. So Li is written the element 1, 2, 3. We have the 3 elements and we have to write in the Li. Li is nothing but list and UL is nothing but unordered list. So this is the first. Second, H3 some common single engine aircraft. Now Li style, okay, what we have done here, here we have given to all L, UL means you no need to define again and again for all the things, like see square, 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 but I have written only one time. Next, if you want separate, like see this is circle, this is box and this is border circle. So here Li style is equals to list style type is disk. Disk is nothing but what this dark circle will call disk. And next another style is Li style is equals to list style type is square. Okay, list square. Next, list style type circle. So the circle means the border, like circle. If we have dark circle, that is disk. If we have only border, that is called circle. So this is unordered list and you can change as per your requirement. Okay, next order list. In this order list, as I told you, you can take 1, 2, 3 ABC, capital ABC, small ABC, Roman numbers and lowercase Roman numbers. So you can take any one of this. Fine. Next. So we will see how the order list will use in the example. This is the output. Okay, this is output, Roman number, capital A and numeric. So we have used 3. Let's see. Here in the order list, list style type is upper Roman. Upper Roman is nothing but upper Roman is nothing but this. What is upper Roman? Upper Roman is capital I, capital I, like Roman 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, what is the output for this? It will display capital I, like Roman, for which Li general aviation, this element, for this element. Next, OL style list style type is upper alpha. What is upper alpha? Upper alpha means upper alphabet, okay, upper alphabet. First it will capital I, Roman number, then capital A. Next, OL list type is decimal. List type is decimal. Then it will display the 1. Okay. So this is how we are getting the output. Next, after this, LI dual engine aircraft, OL style list style type is decimal 2. This 2 in the this graph, okay. This here, can you see I did not mention here. What I did not mention here? I did not mention the alpha because I mentioned here in OL. So I no need to mention here. So this by default it will take B. Then decimal is 2. Decimal is 2. So this is the output of this one. Clear? I hope you understand this. Fine. Next. So for this, next, the order list and n order list you cleared, I think. I hope you cleared. Now we will see the alignment of text. This is very important. This will be like left, center and right or justify. These 4 alignments will be there. In this 4 alignment, the text indent property allow indentation. Indentation means like you can write from here, then every paragraph will start from like this. Like if you write indentation, before starting any new paragraph, you will leave this space. Okay, that is called indentation. Take either a length of a% value. So here the text alignment is very, very important. Left, center, right and justification or justification. Any one of these you need to select at the time of designing the website. Sometime we want text to flow around another element. We use the float property. This is one of the float property is very important. If sometime you want the photo, picture, anything, if you want at the left side, you can use left. If you want right, you can right and none. Okay, none will be the default one and left will be the default in text align. So here the example, the output is not here for this example. So I will do one thing, I can show you. Okay, I will show you the practical for this. First of all, here there is no HTML tag. So you need to add HTML tag. First, how to write the HTML code? Note notepad. And here I am writing HTML opening tag and HTML closing tag. Here I am just copy pasting the data from there and I will explain you about this. Okay, and here I am giving the title float property, image. I am giving the image float right. Okay, my image should be at the right. So here the paragraph I am writing the code. This already we have done. So here it is writing this file, but I don't have this file. I will write tulip.jpeg. Why I am writing I will tell you. So I will, where I will save this file, save as all file, I will save here with the name align. Okay, align.html. Align.html, save. Okay, I am writing tulips. So why I am writing the tulips means, where did I save the picture? At that place, like see here, already here I have tulip pitch, TULIPS, tulips pitch already I have here, and my file alignment is also here. Because of that I gave this name. Save. Okay, now and go back here and open this align. When you open, it will open and display the image. See here at the right side. If you want, the text should be in the right side and this image should be in the left side, you need to go to the code and here float left, right float left. Save it, file save, go back here, refresh. See, image at the left side and the data is right side text. So in this format you can make it for this code. So are you clear about this? Okay, and this is for this one, as I told you, float property. For float property is we have used here in the CSS. Okay, space. Letter space property, control the amount of space between the two letters, tracking. There are so many things are there. Positive value increasing the letter sizing, negative value decreasing it. So there are so many things are there. The space between words in text can be controlled with the word spacing property, whole whose value are normal or any length. This all the things we can able to do in the lab programming. Okay, we have all the programs and that all are available on the blog. So you can go and get the file. The space between lines of text can be controlled with the line height property. The spacing is called leading. Okay, and we can give the color. Color is a problem for the web for two reasons. Monitor very wide and browser very widely. Means there is a set of 16 colors that are guaranteed to be displayed by all graphic browser on all color monitor. So whenever you are using any kind of color, if you use this 16 color, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. When you use the 16 color, in the 16 color the monitor and browser everyone will support. Every browser, every monitor will support that. Okay, next. So now because of different monitors will be there, different browsers will be there, so many browsers are there. So this 16 color is for important, and if you use this in your website, so you no need to bother about how it will be displayed and you will not get color problem. Okay, so the color property is like we have studied about the table tag. In the table tag we have gave the border also. Okay, if you give the border is equals to 5px, the size of the 5px. For this you can give the color also. Th style is equals to color red apple. Th style is equals to color orange is orange. The style is equals to color yellow, yellow for mango. Okay, the output of this is not here, but how the output will be there, if the table will be created and the apple color will be red, orange color will be orange, mango color will be yellow. Okay, this is a color property. Next, background color. If you want to change the background color, p style is equals to font size is 24 and color is blue background color is red, and whatever the element do you want to write, you can write here. Okay, because of this red dark color, is blue is not visible, but you can change it any color like yellow and something. Okay, so in the next class we are going to see the box model, and this will be the last topic of the first unit 1. Okay, so thank you very much. We will see the practical and CSS box model in the next class.